Good afternoon everyone. I am Jyoti Pandey, your EVS teacher. Who I am? I am your EVS teacher. Okay, in which class you are? LKG. In which class you are? LKG. Okay. In previous lecture we have learned about fruits, flowers. Okay, in previous lecture we have learned about fruits, flowers, vegetables. You remember you remember that we have learned all these things: vegetables, names of vegetables, fruits, flower. Yes or not? We have done revision also. We have done revision also. The names of fruits, vegetables and flowers. Okay. Today we will do some exercise related vegetable, fruits and flower. Okay. First we will recall all the memories. Okay. First we will recall all the memories what we have learned in last lectures. Okay. Vegetable. We have learned names of vegetable. Okay, tell me the names of vegetable you have remembered. Potato, brinjal, ladyfinger, cauliflower, carrot, and yes, bitter gourd. Okay, chili, green chili, red chili, onion. Yes. Oh, you are so good, children. Clap for yourself. Very good. We have learned all this name of vegetables. Okay. Now let's recall the memories of fruits. Name of the fruits. Okay. Which fruits we have learned? Mango, banana, grapes, orange, pineapple. Yes. Very good. Oh, you have learned so many names. Yes. Do you know any other name of fruits? Pear. Yes. Then strawberry, lychee. Yes. These are also fruits. Very good. Okay. Next, flowers name. You know which flowers we have learned? Lotus, marigold, jasmine, rose, yes, and any other name you remember? Mogra, lily, sunflower. Yes, we have learned name of these flowers, fruits and vegetables. Yes or not? Yes. Okay. Look here, all of you fold your hands, sit straight. Yes, fold your hands and sit straight. Okay, look here. Match the same flower. These all are the pictures of flowers. What are this? These are the pictures of flowers. Okay. Which flower is this? Lotus. Which flower is this? Lotus. Which flower is this? Sunflower. Which flower is this? Sunflower. Which flower is this? Rose. Which flower is this? Rose. Which flower is this? Marigold. Which flower is this? Marigold. Which flower is this? Tulip. Which flower is this? Tulip. Okay. I have drawn some flowers here, and here also I have drawn the flower. So we have to match the same flower. What we have to do? We have to match the same flower. Okay. Look here. Which flower is this? Lotus. This is lotus? No. This is same? This flower and this flower is same? No. Okay. This flower is same? Yes. Which flower is this? Lotus. Which flower is this? Lotus. So what we will do? we will match lotus with lotus. What we will do? We will match lotus with lotus. Okay. What we have done? We have matched lotus with lotus. Okay. Okay. Which flower is this? Yes. Tell me, which flower is this? This is sunflower. Which flower is this? Sunflower. Okay. This is sunflower. Same flower is this? Yes. This is same flower. This is same flower. So we will match sunflower with sunflower. What we will do? We will match sunflower with sunflower. Yes? Okay. Which flower is this? Rose. Which flower is this? Rose. This is rose? No. This is sunflower. This is rose? No. This is lotus. This is rose? No. This is rose? Yes. This is rose. So what we will do? We will match rose with rose. What we will do? We will match rose with rose. Okay. Okay. Do you know how many colors does rose have? Rose have you seen? Which color rose you have seen? Red, yellow, pink. Okay. White also. You have seen white rose also. Oh. Okay. Look here. What we have done? We have matched rose with rose. Do you know rose is a favorite flower of Chacha Nehru. Chacha Nehru always kept rose in his pocket. Red rose. Okay. And the full name of Chacha Nehru is Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. Lotus. Lotus is okay. Now which flower? Which flower is this? Tell me. Marigold. Which flower is this? Marigold. This is marigold? No. This is sunflower. This is marigold? No. This is lotus. This is marigold? No. This is tulip. This is marigold? No. This is rose. This is marigold. Yes. Same flower is this? Yes. So we will match marigold with marigold. What we will do? We will match marigold with marigold. Okay. Now look at the next flower. Look at the next flower. Which flower is this? This is tulip. Which flower is this? This is tulip. So this is tulip? No. This is sunflower. This is tulip? No. This is lotus. This is tulip? Yes. So what we will do? We will match tulip with tulip. Okay. What we will do? We will match tulip with tulip. Yes. What we have done? We have matched the same flower. What we have done? We have matched the same flower. Lotus with lotus. Sunflower with sunflower. Rose with rose. Marigold with marigold. Tulip with tulip. Okay. This work you have to do in EVS notebook. Okay. What you have to do? This work you have to do in EVS notebook. With the help of your parents, you have to do this in EVS notebook. Okay. Next, color the fruits. What are these? This is fruits. We have learned the name of fruits. We have learned the name of fruits. Yes or not? Yes. So what we have to do? You have to color the fruits. Okay. You have to color the fruits. First you will tell me the name of all this. What are these? Okay. What are these? Which is fruit and which is vegetable? Which is fruit and which is vegetable? So what you have to do? You have to color the fruits. What you have to do? You have to color the fruits. Okay, do you remember the name of fruits? Yes. Mango, banana, grapes, pineapple, all these are fruits. Okay. What you have to do? You have to color the fruits. Here all are mixed. Fruits and vegetables are mixed. So what you have to do? You have to color the fruits. Okay, one by one you tell me which are fruits and which are vegetables. And you have to do color. Okay? Understand? Yes. So you are a good children. So you will understand fast. Okay? Okay. Okay, tell me which is this. Okay, tell me. Which fruit? What is this? Fruit or vegetable? Tell me what is this? Fruit or vegetable? This is fruit. Which fruit is this? Mango. Which fruit is this? Mango. So what you will do? Tell me what is the color of mango? Yes, tell me what is the color of mango? Yellow. Yes. The color of mango is yellow. To which color you will do? You will do yellow color. Which color you will do? Yellow color. Okay. What is this? What is this? Lady finger. So lady finger is a fruit or vegetable? What is this? This is lady finger. So it is fruit or vegetable? It is vegetable. So we will not do any color. What? We will not do any color. Okay. What is this? Cauliflower. What is this? Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a fruit or vegetable? Cauliflower is a fruit or vegetable? Cauliflower is a vegetable. So we will color it? No. We will not do color. Okay. What is this? Apple. What is this? Apple. So apple is a fruit or vegetable? Apple is a fruit or vegetable? Apple is a fruit or vegetable? Fruit. So what we will do? We will color the apple. What is the color of apple? Yes. What is the color of apple? Red. So what you will do? You will do red color. What you will do? You will do red color. Okay. What is this? This is grapes. What is this? This is grapes. So it is fruit or vegetable? Grapes is fruit or vegetable? Grapes is fruit or vegetable? Grapes is fruit. Okay. So what is the color of grapes? What is the color of grapes? Green. What is the color of grapes? Green. So which color you will do? You will do green color. Which color you will do? Green color. What is the color of grapes? Green. So what you will do? You will do green color. Okay. What is this? This is bitter gourd. So it is, yes, it is fruit or vegetable? It is bitter gourd. It is fruit or vegetable? It is vegetable. So you will do color? No. You will not do any color. What is this? This is tomato. What is this? This is tomato. Tomato is a fruit or vegetable. Tomato is a fruit or vegetable. Tomato is a vegetable. So you will color it? No. You will not do any color. Okay. What is this? This is banana. What is this? This is banana. So banana is fruit or vegetable? Banana is fruit or vegetable? Banana is fruit. So what you will do? You will color the banana. What is the color of banana? Yellow. What is the color of banana? Yellow. So what you will do? You will color the banana. Okay, you will color the banana. These are the mixture. These are the mix. Vegetables and fruits are mixed. Okay, it is kept in a. They all kept in. Okay, so you have to what do? You have to color the fruits. You have to color the fruit. First, you have to identify the fruits. Which are the fruits? Okay, first you have to identify the fruits. Which are the fruits? And then what is the color of fruit? So you have to do color of fruit. This is what? Which fruit is this? This is mango. So what you will do? You will do yellow color. Which color? Yellow color. Which color? Yellow color. Okay, what you will do? Yellow color. Okay. What is this? This is lady finger. So lady finger is fruit? No, it is vegetable. So you will not do any color. What is this? This is cauliflower. So you will do color? No, because it is vegetable. What is this? This is apple. So you will do color? Yes. What is the color of apple? Red. Apple, apple, red, red apple, very, very sweet. You sing the song. When you eat apple, apple is good for health. Apple is good for health. Apple, apple, red, red apple, very, very sweet. Okay. Now, what is this? This is grapes. So, grapes is a fruit. So, what you will do? You will color the grapes. Which color you will color the grapes? Green color. Which color you will color the grapes? Green color. Okay. Which color you color the grapes? Green color. This is fruit or vegetable? It is vegetable. It is bitter gourd. So we will not do any color. Okay, what is this? This is tomato. What is this? This is tomato. So it is what? It is vegetable. So we will not do any color. Okay, what is this? This is banana. What is this? This is banana. So banana is a fruit. Banana is a fruit. So what you will do? You will color the banana. What you will do? You will color the banana. Okay. Do neatly and properly. Okay. Take help of your parents and do. This exercise you have to do in your notebook. Take help of your parents and do in your notebook. Okay. If you want, you can take screenshot and do this work in your notebook. Okay. I am giving you few minutes so that you can take the screenshot. Okay. Yes. Yes. What we have done today? We have done match the same flower and color the fruits. What we have done? Match the same flowers and color the fruits. Okay, match the same flower and color the fruits. Okay, so you have to do this in your notebook. Where you have to do? You have to do this in your notebook. Okay, understand? Yes, very good. So nice of you, dear. So nice of you. Okay, now what we will do? Okay, we have learned all these things. You have to do in your notebook. Okay, bye and have a nice day. Do your work properly and neatly. Bye, have a nice day.